Hey guys, what's up? I haven't been seeing you guys for a long time, and today is for a special episode of reviewing what are some of the new items I recently get. And this episode, trust me, is nothing about the camera gears. It's all about these lovely ASU Sun Devil gears. But first, I'm gonna test out to see whether I am in the frame because this dumbass Sony cameras doesn't have a flip-out LCD screen. As some of you might have been following this channel and seen my previous videos, you might already know that I am a huge hat collectors, cap collectors, that I own a lot of different hat pieces from multiple brands and different size. So these are some of my most recent collections. The first one I want to share with you guys is this Nike B2 series with this iconic rainbow flag. B2 series is definitely contribute to the LGBT group. I am not a gay by all means. I actually also get the shirts which have the same design that has a gigantic rainbow color on it, and I have no issue whatsoever to wearing it. Next up, we have this lovely ass devil's hat. I don't know why, but this seems to be the woman size. I clearly bought this in the men's sections, but anyway, love these hats as I am a huge Sun Devil enthusiast. I guess that's the way to put it. I am a very royal member to the alumni, Arizona State, 100% Go Devils. This Kansas one is actually quite hilarious. So essentially there are several different food chains that I go when I'm like really starving at night. I hang out with my homies. First is huge, In-N-Out. That's my number one go-to because the burger they make is so juicy. It is fucking incredible, guys. You know what I'm talking about if you live out of the West Coast. Then that goes to the Rising Kind chicken. The thing is that the chicken itself was great, but it wasn't spectacular. But the sauce was the magic. It was the soul of the fried chicken. It was game changer. Like once you try that, never go back. It is pure beyond magic. That's the reason why I bought this. I also tried to get the Buffalo Wild Wing hats, but unfortunately they don't really have these accessories and gears. Anyway, I got this. Super fun. This is like one of the shittiest quality hats I've ever bought, but guys, one love. That's what it says. Coming up next is some more of the ASU cap family. These two are more the ordinary ones. This one says Arizona State University on it. I just don't have a white or tan Arizona State cap, and that's the reason why I bought it. This one, needless to say, this have a gigantic pitchfork sparky on it. It's quite a symbol, so you know whoever graduated from ASU can probably see this from miles away and come up and say hello maybe one day. This one though, I do want to talk about it because this one is quite legit. Have this cartoon logo of the sparky on this. I mean, guys, you guys are so good to like the Japanese alumni. You see, this is the Tokyo edition. How come we Chinese students don't get one of these collections? It would be great if we have our own collection. I'd really love to see these coming up. I mean, Sun Devil Store, bookstore, or whatever thing. Just if you ever see this video, hit me up, and I'm more than happy to help you guys to maybe have some of the accessories and school gears, because that's exactly what we want. We have the spirit inside, and we're proud of being Sun Devils. And coming up next is something actually quite fun. I actually randomly found this when I was browsing through the bookstores. A pair of flip-flops. These are actually really good qualities. I'm probably not gonna wear them. I'm probably just gonna put them somewhere. You can probably see like this texture here is legit. It's not like plastic. It's like fine fiber or something. I really like it. And it also says Sun Devils on it, so thanks. I mean, I paid it with my own money. Why the fuck am I even saying thanks to? I mean, thanks to my daddy, I guess. Blah, 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 blah. And also, there are some more shirts before I go into a hidden secret. This one is the Arizona State alumni shirt from the FinTech. This is actually given to me by Jennifer. She's amazing. These are the souvenir from last time's Beijing Chinese alumni event. Super great events and had a lot of fun. I actually shoot the ice hockey video for the team travel. You can see the link is above in blue. This is a great shirt. Also, this one, sorry I folded it kind of messy. This is from our friend, Xueqi. She gave me this because she knows that I just absolutely obsessed with all of the Sun Devil gears. This House of Heat is a gift. Thank you so much. I actually didn't have the time to show how grateful I am and really appreciate all that. These gifts are amazing. Loving it. Come on, guys. Why don't you guys just couldn't sell the Sun Devil gear, NCAA Pac-12, name it, whatever. Why don't you guys just sell these gears in China? Such a big pool of market with huge potentials. People's gonna go outrageous to support their school and teams. Coming up next, this is actually my second Arizona State class of 2018 shirt. I have another one, the OG offensive one. I'm probably gonna wear that one because I've already washed it and wear it. This is brand new. I'm probably just putting it in the shelf as one of my collection souvenir. I actually have tons of ASU shirt out there that I'm probably gonna show you guys next time that I've never wear and not planning to wear. Just put in there as souvenirs. I absolutely loving it. I don't know. I'm just kind of weirdo. I mean, if you see my next video about how I have this sentimental emotion bundle with some of the objects that apparently don't have a life on it, you probably will understand a little bit better about my type of thing. This one is legit because this one is actually from the ice hockey team. I forgot. Was Mitchell? Mitchell's probably the name. Also the other guy. Anyway, they gave me this shirt because I was helping them to film the whole game, the ice hockey game going on back in August in Beijing. It was super fun to both watch it, participating as a Sun Devil, also have the precious opportunity to film it as a photographer, cinema photographer. Was incredible. They also gave me this ice hockey team shirts at the very end. Absolutely love it. Don't see a reason why not to keep it. Alright, that's pretty much it for all the shirts and cap accessory stuff. And now let's dig in a little bit deeper because recently I also got some other stuff that is really making me pump. And I just couldn't wait to show you guys. It's amazing. First thing first, come on, let's support our school. This is a gigantic... Man, you guys are not gonna believe this. This is a gigantic Arizona State flag. Jennifer gave me this as well after the event. I'm speechless. There's no word on the planet Earth that I can express how happy I am when I receive a shit like this. This is one hell of a gift, and I actually been looking forward to buy a flag like this for a long time. Just couldn't find them in China, so amazing. Thank you. And also, this next item I do actually bought with my own money. It was really fun. This is the Arizona State flag. Oh my god, I just adore it. The size was just like gigantic. It's definitely out of frame, but guys, I'm trying to do this in one cut. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I also have the Chinese national flag over there, but it's in my bag. I'm not planning to get them out because you might not see it, but there's like tons of stuff on my leg and I couldn't really move. I have to put all of this shit back to the shelf after I finish this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is a super boring episode. It's just pretty much like me talking through about what's the new toys and all shit that I got recently. But guys, trust me, I absolutely love this shit, and these stuff are definitely useless stuff. Like, to be honest, a cap can do nothing to you. It doesn't really has no values and all that. Once these money is spent, they consider as sunk cost, waste, whatever, as you want to call them. For a lot of people, it's definitely, the pointless purchase. Why are you spending all of this money on the merchandise when you can do something better? But to these people, you probably not that really welcoming to watch my channels because I do believe, sometimes the emotion connections between a human being and certain objects are fairly solid. And I do trust that some of the spirit are so strong, it almost come to a religion. For example, Sun Devils in Arizona State is something that I definitely deeply love to, and that's the reason why I am willing to spend such a great fortune, and not really a lot, but like a lot of money off the ASU gears because I simply love them, and I do feel every time when I put an Arizona State cap on, for example, and this one here, it is the social recognition. People sees it, knows where you're from, and it's just a sense of feeling that I've never really get disconnected from that community. I'm still, one of the family, chilling out there for that. I'm actually making brand new soundtrack for the ASU. Not ASU, but like my life back in Arizona State, Tempe, and all that. Should be releasing this soon. Man, for artists, it's like really hard to do stuff when getting stoned or high, or fucking drunk, or lit or high. I'd probably say high twice. But yeah, so I just have like, the stuff, the medicine, and I couldn't really drink that much right now, so, the music tracks are probably going to be delayed a little bit, but guys, I'm gonna be rich some days. I'm gonna do withdraw on like Weibo or like Bilibili or YouTube or whatever shit. And I'm gonna give my followers, my fans, all of these ASU Sun Devil gears, no matter what school they graduate from. Even if you graduate from Harvard, I'm gonna send you one of these. Because we are innovation at one. Peace.